MVIS stock analysis and MVIS stock prediction. It's for Tuesday and onwards. Am I buying is the question, which I'll be answering this very short and brief 1 minute video. I have done well over 42,000 videos myself. It's taken me 5 years, you know, so I've seen what's making me money and what's not. MVIS specifically, they haven't made a freaking call out or a prediction nor a trade taken since here, like January, I believe. Yes, this is the proof of that win that I got. You know, I was calling it down from exactly 14th of January. It was 122. I was expecting it to, you know, give me a double break so I can take it to 170 at least. That delivered very nicely, and not only that, went for a second run, almost 194. This is gonna be a shift if there is a double break. So notice how I've gotten the first break. Second break hasn't happened yet, so that's exactly what I'm waiting for. And if it does happen, that's a whole different play. Not only is this swing going to be the buy, but it's also intraday trades, which I'm going to still bias towards this long side as long as there is a second break above here, not just a wick, a full candle close. So if you do want to learn how I'm making 5-10K per month trading, click the first link in the description, get my free emails for free, and I'll see you in the next one.